Also understand this with supervision. Let's just say you have a 10-year-old and you and the 10-year-old go to a football game or a basketball game or somewhere, an amusement park or to the fair, what have you. That 10-year-old should not be roaming around without supervision. So if they want to be with their friends, you have to set boundaries and let them know you and your friends, or you have to stay in this area. If your friends leave, then you come back and sit with me. But when I look this way, you should be in the area where I gave you permission to be. If your child, your 10-year-old, your 12-year-old wants to go to the concession stand, they should run that by you. They have to come to you and say, all right, I want to go to the concession stand. I already have my money, but my friends and I want to go over here. You give approval for them to go so that you can know where they are at all times. If they want to go to the restroom, they come past you and say, Mom, Dad, grandmother, whatever, I want to go to the restroom. We're going to the restroom over here, or I'm going to the restroom over here. Great, go ahead. See you in a few minutes. So that if 10 minutes later you haven't seen them, you know that maybe somebody needs to check on them. But you must learn how to supervise well. They should not be roaming all over the place. You should never say, I have no idea where they are, because you should have been supervising them well. And that means monitoring them, knowing exactly where they are. So you have to teach that to your children. You have to teach it. And then if you teach that at home when they're playing outside and playing in the community, then when you go to the game, you remind them the exact same thing that we do at home goes here. You have to let me know if you want to go to another area that I have not given you approval of. I have to approve that you can go here or there or up at the top of the bleachers or wherever it may be. That's good supervision.